Students, a cheerful good morning to all of you. Are you all keeping well? Okay. Students, you like animals, don't you? Yes, you know there are some animals which are more loving, brave and sensible than human beings. Such an animal is elephant. Today we are going to discuss about a 5-month-old baby elephant. So students, the name of today's lesson is Bringing Up Kari. The name of the writer is Dhan Gopal Mukherjee. Is it clear? Okay. The story is about a 9-year-old boy and a 5-month-old baby elephant named Kari. They lived and grew up together. Kari ate and played with delicious twigs, means very tasty branches of trees. Every day he needed about 16 kgs of twigs. The narrator used to take him to the river every morning for his bath. After the bath, he used to take Kari to the forest and would leave him at the edge of the forest. In the meantime, he would collect twigs and saplings for Kari. It was not easy to collect tender and delicate twigs. Elephants do not touch mutilated twigs. Mutilated means damaged and old twigs. One day, as the boy was collecting young branches for Kari, he heard Kari calling him. He rushed to the river bank. He saw Kari struggling in the water. When Kari saw his friend, he came to the shore and pushed his friend into the water. The narrator saw a boy floating in the river. The narrator pulled the drowning boy to the surface. He could not reach the shore as he was not a good swimmer. So, he was also about to be drowned. Remember, 2 lives were about to be lost. But Kari was very active and came to their rescue. With the help of his trunk, he brought them safely to the shore. So students, Kari is very helpful and he saved 2 lives. How many lives? 2 lives. Okay. But Kari was also very naughty and mischievous. He began to steal fruits, especially bananas, from narrator's dining room because he was fond of bananas. One day, the narrator caught him red-handed. He found Kari eating bananas in his pavilion. Pavilion means the tent where Kari was kept. Kari used to take bananas through the window and disappear with them. The narrator understood that Kari was the banana thief. The writer scolded Kari for his mischief. Kari was very sensible that he never repeated this mistake again. So students, an elephant accepts punishment for his wrongdoings. But if we punish him for wrong reasons or without any reason, he will take revenge. Like children, elephants also need to be taught certain things like when to sit down when to walk, etc. To make them sit, they must be pulled by the ear and said, "Thus." To make them walk, pull their trunk forward and say, "Mali." So, these two words are important. That is, "that" for sitting and "Mali" for walking. The most important thing that an elephant must learn is the master call. An elephant takes 5 years to learn it. A master call is such a call that a master gives when he is lost in a jungle. It means when the master is in darkness or when he does not know how to get out of the jungle. At the master's call, the elephant would pull down trees, clear the jungle, and frighten away the animals, and would lead the master straight to his home. So students, we have finished the lesson. Having seen the lesson, we can say that an elephant is a quick learner and the narrator is a good trainer. The remarkable thing about animals is that sometimes they are more caring, more loving, more brave, and more sensible than human beings. Is the lesson clear to all of you? Very clear? Okay.